All of here. I am Parmar Vansh from Standard 10. Today I am here before you with a lot of emotions. Yes, today is a day filled with mixed emotions and happiness for the new journey and sadness for leaving behind a place that has been our second home. ये स्कूल सिर्फ एक बिल्डिंग नहीं बल्कि एक परिवार जैसा था। यहाँ दोस्तों के साथ किए गए वो मस्ती भरे दिन, यहाँ सुबह जल्दी उठकर स्कूल आना, वो लास्ट मिनट तक होमवर्क लिखना और वो टीचर की डांट, सब कुछ याद आएगा। वो मैथ्स के टीचर ना आने पर सबसे ज़्यादा खुश होना, ऑल आई मिस द मोस्ट। फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्रेस माई ग्रेटिट्यूड टू आवर वंडरफुल टीचर्स who have not only taught us subjects but have also shaped us into better individuals. Jani ma'am, our maths teacher, you taught us that even the most hated subject, maths, could be conquered with patience and practice. Abhishek sir, our science teacher, science was never just a subject in your class. In fact, it was an adventure, and your experiments, your explanation, your enthusiasm made science our favorite. Mukesh sir, our social science and computer teacher, the way you taught us SST and made even the most boring subject the most interesting. In computer, you had the privilege of guiding us through the world of technology. Our class teacher and also Hindi and Gujarati teacher. Your classes were never just about grammar or poetry. They were a window into our culture and heritage. Thank you for your patience and patience. Durga ma'am, our English teacher and also our beloved principal. You have been more than just a teacher. You have been a guide, mentor, and a friend. Also, the most favorite and beloved teacher of all the students is our Deepak sir. I want to say a big thank you to you for being always stand by our side. You are the one who is more than just a teacher. Also, our teacher who studied us in our beginning, Dakshita ma'am, Sachin sir, Bhagyashree ma'am, you were the ones who laid the foundation of learning for so many of us. And how can we forget the ones who ensured that our morning started with energy, Kokila ma'am and Sarmishta ma'am. Your care during breakfast time went beyond just serving meals. It was your love and affection that made school feel like home. At last, this is for all my friends कि मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, तुम्हारे बिना ये सफ़र यकीनन अधूरा होता। हमने इन 12 सालों में की गई सारी मस्ती बहुत याद आएगी। बिछड़ना तो तय है इस राह में मगर दोस्ती की महक रहेगी। बिछड़ना तो तय है इस राह में मगर दोस्ती की महक रहेगी। ये स्कूल, ये साथी, ये दिन प्यारे हमेशा दिल के पास रहेंगे। एट द एंड मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि ज़िंदगी के इस नए सफ़र में सभी को ऑल द बेस्ट। हम मिल के रहेंगे क्योंकि दोस्ती का कोई फेयरवेल नहीं होता। एट द एंड आई वॉन्ट टू से अ वेरी good luck to all of you for upcoming life. Thank you and goodbye.